Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie Sarah, and if you're new here, I do reality content. I film whatever happens in my daily life. I also talk about important topics, and in general I just do reality videos. So today I am here at Gikomba. I am at Gikomba, recording live from Gikomba, the place that was demolished. Gikomba Market, Nairobi. Yeah. So I believe from the news and from the information at hand, the government had requested the sellers to move away from this place. I think it's 50 meters from the river. If your shop was 50 meters from the river, you are supposed to move. So recently the people had rejected that proposition, yeah, and they were saying if it's 30 meters from the river, they are going to move, but if it's 50 meters, they are not going to move. So today they woke up and found the place has already been demolished. So you just look around. Yeah, and I heard that this place is demolished, but they're supposed to move to the other place. You see that place? There is a new market being built there. So they're supposed to move from this side to that side. Yeah. They're supposed to move from this side to that side. I think this side it's lower, then the other side it's at least up. So I think when it rains, it can flood on this side, but it cannot flood on that side. That's why they want them to move. So keep watching. I'm going to be walking around. Let's see if we find someone to interview for them to tell us what really happened, because they just woke up and found this place has already been demolished. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see. Lakini kweli walikuwa karibu na mto kabisa. Sasa ni kwa mto direct. Sasa ni 30 meters ama 50 meters. Sasa wanakubaliana pekee. Sasa wanasema waende hiyo side. So as you can see, there are people everywhere. They are trying to collect whatever remained. Yeah, people are trying to collect whatever remained. I don't know if there was any property in the stores, but as for now I can't see anything because people are just trying to pick whatever they can pick. So but you can see this place is, see the river is just there. This place is very close to the river. Yeah, it's very close to the river. So let's go to the river and see, so that we can see if this is 50 meters from the river or 30 meters from the river. I don't know. For those who studied survey, you can tell me. See, the other place has not been demolished. It's from there to there. I think it's 50 meters or 30 meters. I don't know. Yeah. So let's go to the river and see. You see? This was the bridge. I think this was the bridge, or I don't know. So people are just trying to take whatever they can take. The wood, the metals. Yeah, for those who want to sell, for those who want to do whatever. Yeah, this place is just busy. Everyone is everywhere. And I think now they're supposed to move to the other side. Yeah, they're supposed to move to the other side. Let's stand on this bridge and look at the river. Yeah, I hope we are not going to fall. Yeah. Hey, this is a bridge, and this is a bridge, and there are people under this bridge. Yeah. No. There is the river, and the people are on the other side. Yeah. So that's the river, and this is the place that has been demolished. Yeah, you see there are other buildings that are still there, and this is just one side. There is the other side. But from your opinion, tell me, what do you think about this? Yeah. See, there are people here. So let's go the other side, or let's go this side first. So this is the situation at hand. This is the situation at hand. Oh my God. These are clothes. Clothes. You see? I think these things were being sold or something. Let's go the other side. Yeah, so you just wake up and you find your business place is normal. Yeah. So this place is called Kwaviatu, where shoes are being sold. Yeah, some people are still selling. Not giving up here. Not giving up here. We're still selling. This is their situation at hand. Let's continue going. The other side is the new market side. So let's try and find way to the new markets and see. Let's try and find way to the new market and see where they were told they're supposed to relocate to there. Meanwhile, as you can see, the river is right there. Yeah, let's meet on the other side. This is Nairobi River. Nairobi River.
Bwana.
Unajua mimi nasikiaje kitu wananiziana wana huko.
Nani aliajiri? Jabe.
Yeah, so this is the river. That is the place that was demolished, and that is the place I think they are supposed to move to. Yeah, that place is still under construction. I've looked for a way to reach there, but it's somehow impossible. Yeah. Hey. What? These are people's things that they were selling. Oh my god, like these are trousers. This person has had a big loss, my friend. What? This is loss of a loss. Yeah, so I am right here at Gikomba market, the market that was demolished. So tell me what you think about this demolition. Was it right or wrong? So let's try and go the other side. The new market side. Yeah. I can't see a way. There is no through way. Oh my God. This place is so busy. People are trying to save whatever they can save. So the people who have gone at a bigger loss are the people who are selling timber. Hey, those people have lost a lot. Those people have lost a lot because you can see there's timber everywhere. And right now, you cannot claim. You cannot say it's yours because it's everywhere. Now look at this building. One side of it has been demolished. The other side is still up.
lazima mtu kama huyu akae hapo.